Now let's see the qualitative characteristics of accounting information. Here we have four qualitative characteristics, namely reliability, relevance, understandability, comparability. So let us discuss each of the points in detail. First, we have reliability. It means that accounting information must be reliable. Okay, it should be verifiable. Verifiable means you can cross check your data. ठीक है, free from bias. Bias meaning is partial. So accounting information should be impartial. You cannot depict false position of the enterprise. Okay, whatever position the business possesses, you need to depict it in the same manner. You should present it the true and fair view of the business by means of accounting information. Okay, and it should be free from material error. There should not be any blunder in the accounting information. Then we have relevance. Relevance means accounting information should be relevant. It should be to the point so that the users can plan accordingly. Okay, it will be helpful in decision making. Unwanted unnecessary informations नहीं होने चाहिए. Whatever important information we needed, okay, to prepare budget and many other things, it should be presented in that way only. All right, that is relevant. Like we have studied in summarizing process, we prepare financial statements. Okay, so financial statements से क्या होता है, जो exact चीजें हैं जो हमें रिक्वायरमेंट है हमें वो पता चलती है. वी डू नॉट वांट अनवांटेड इंफॉर्मेशन. जैसे किसी बिजनेस में साल भर में क्या हुआ, एम्प्लॉयज के रिलेशंस कैसे हैं, एक एक दिन में क्या चीजें हो रही है. वी डू नॉट वांट दैट. What we need is the actual position and worth of the business, and that we come to know through the financial statement. So relevance means accounting information should be to the point. No unnecessary information should be depicted there. Then we have understandability. Yes, understandability, I think you all know the meaning, which is understandable. ऐसा तो नहीं है अकाउंटिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन सिर्फ कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट्स ही पढ़ते हैं. There are persons, there are layman who doesn't know accounting much, है ना. जरूरी तो नहीं है सारे कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम के हो. What about science stream people? So accounting information should be presented in that way, in a easy way, so that all users can easily get through this. That is understandability. Then we have comparability. Comparability भी नाम से समझ में आ रहा है, comparison. So here comparison done by two forms, that is intra-firm. Here you can see intra-firm comparison. Then we have inter-firm comparison. Okay, so with the help of one example I'm telling you what is intra and inter-firm comparison. Inter-firm comparison means comparison between two enterprises. Okay, let's take an example. Suppose Asian Paints. If I'm comparing the financial statement of Asian Paint with Nerolac, okay, दो other companies के अगर comparisons होते हैं, that is your inter-firm comparison. Okay, it is written here. Accounting information of other enterprises. If you are comparing the financial statement of two or more enterprise, it is known as inter-firm. And intra-firm means same company, the one company's performance you are comparing it with the other periods. Like Asian Paint का मैं 2020, 2019 and 18 का performance check कर रही हूँ. That is intra-firm. So understood the concept of intra and inter? I repeat. Intra-firm comparison example is Asian Paint. Asian Paint का graph अगर मैं चेक कर रही हूँ एशियन पेंट के फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स, इफ आई एम चेकिंग ऑफ द ईयर 2019, 2018, 2017, okay, one enterprise comparing the coming years, their preceding years performance. Okay, 2019, 18, 17, 16, एक ही कंपनी के preceding years के performance को हम अगर evaluate करते हैं, check करते हैं, it is intra-firm comparison. And inter-firm, if you are comparing one enterprise with other enterprises, like Asian companies performance, we are comparing it with Nerolac, that is inter-firm comparison. So I hope this topic is clear to you all. Qualitative characteristics we discussed today. There are 4 qualitative characteristics: reliability, relevance, understandability, comparability. Reliability means the business, the accounting information must be reliable. It should be verifiable, free from bias and any material error. Relevance means it should be to the point so that important decision making can be made through the accounting information. Understandability, it should be presented in an easy manner so that a layman can also make decisions or judge the financial position of the enterprise. Comparability, just now I have explained, comparison can be done by 2 ways: intra-firm comparison and inter-firm comparison. Intra-firm, if you are comparing only one enterprise with their preceding year performance, that is intra. And inter means if you are comparing in performance of one enterprise with other companies, that is your inter-firm comparison.